Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a GATE 1989 question which is based on the noise margin. Okay, so in this question, it is given a logic family has threshold voltage of 2 volt and the minimum guaranteed output high voltage, that is our VOH, is 4 volt. Minimum accepted input high voltage VIH 3 volt, maximum guaranteed output low voltage VOL 1 volt, and the accepted maximum accepted input low voltage, that is our VIM 1.5 volt. So we have to find the noise margin. Then options are 2 volt, 1 volt, 1.5, and 0.5 volt. To solve such easy question, no need to remember the formula. So to solve this one is somehow looks like a inverter circuit. Means VOH is given, VIH, VOL, VIL is given. So it is somehow the inverter circuit. So better to draw the graph for the output and input voltage. Okay. And if we draw the characteristics is somehow like that. Just inverter characteristics draw in such cases to solve such question. Okay, then we can say this point is our VOH. Okay, and this point we can say is our input low voltage. Okay, and this point is our VIH, and this point is a VOH or VDD, and the other point Java VOL. That if you know this one, then it is very easy. So this one is the already given. VOH is the minimum guaranteed output voltage. Okay, minimum should be this one. Okay, and the minimum accepted input high voltage is that is our VIH. Okay, so the value is already given. So you have to find the noise margin. So the noise margin is either NML due to low and noise margin high NMH. Okay, so here you have to find this one. VOL is already given 1 volt. Okay, VIH is 3 volt. VIL, the maximum accepted input low voltage, and the minimum guaranteed output high voltage, that is our VOH, is 4 volt. So this, if you know this type of characteristics, it is very easy to solve such problem. So now what we can write, NML, okay, is nothing but simply VIL minus VOL. So we can write it 1.5 volt minus 1 volt, that is our 0.5 volt. Okay, and NMH is nothing but simply VOH minus VIH. So VOH is our 4 volt minus VIH 3 volt. Okay, I am not writing the volt, so I am writing 1 volt. Okay, so in the option 0.5 volt is also given and 1 volt is also given. So if it is a 2 means multiple option will be correct, then we have to direct tick the 1 volt and 0.5 volt. But if we have to select any one option, so in this case we have to select the minimum noise margin. Minimum noise margin. So our correct answer for this question will be 0.5 volt. Okay, so this one is the option number D. So it is a very simple question, but the fundamental you have to know. V output low voltage. Okay, here VIL is the maximum input voltage given to the inverter that will give a output high value of output, and VIH is the minimum input high voltage, minimum input high voltage, that will give the low output voltage. Okay, that's why this one is a VIH. VIH is the minimum acceptable input, minimum value, minimum acceptable input, low voltage, that will give a logic zero output or low output. Okay, and VIL again. VIL is the maximum input voltage that gives logic high value. Output better to read gives output logic high value, and VIH is the minimum input voltage that gives output logic low value. So this one is very important parameter. Okay, VIL is there. Okay, VIL is the maximum accepted input low voltage. Maximum we will give this one, and some threshold voltage is somehow here. Okay, so no need to. So this is a very simple question, but we have to know the this characteristics. Okay, uh, VI characteristics for inverter, and we can easily solve this question. So this is all about this simple question. Thank you for watching this video.